Hi everyone, so for today I'm going to do some adding in of elements into my little booklet here that goes on the back of this main journal. I still haven't done anything to the main pages yet. Don't know if I'm going to get to all of it or not. We're going to see how it goes. So for right now I am working on this one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the video because I think it probably would be very tedious and boring just to watch me glue things down and then decide. So I'm going to like these I've been auditioning, that's what I call it, different elements. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. This is the inside cover. So this was a journaling card, you know, a 4x6 card, and I cut it down. And then I just folded the sides and the bottom, and then I trimmed it, angle cut it, and this one's kind of crooked. That's okay because it's junk journals, but anyway, if that bothers you, you can straighten that out. So I folded it up and then angled the corners to make this a pocket. So this is going to be a pocket, and then I'm going to glue this down, and then these are going to be tucked in, and I think I'll do that. And I hope this isn't going to be too thick. I don't think so. If it is, hey, it's a junk journal. I'm okay with that. And then this is some ribbon that cut off a blanket that we bought for Halloween. Of course, some gauze and some cards and things. I'm going to ink them, glue all this down. So I'm going to go ahead and do these first two, and then I'll pause between each one, gather some more stuff, and then do a fast forward on the whole thing, and then show you at the end what I've got done. I'm not sure if I'll get all these pages done today, but we're going to see. So stay tuned. Okay, so I am running out of tags and things. I can't believe it. I still have some small ones that fit in here, but it is getting so thick and chunky that I think the rest of the pages for now I'm going to leave blank and make those more for journaling or note-taking. Since you saw, this barely would fit in to this piece here that I've made for it. So I'm going to stop on that one for today. So join me again tomorrow as we'll probably work on the inside of this front section here and see what we can do with it. And yeah, my junk journal is getting really thick and heavy, but I'm liking it. So I hope you're enjoying it too. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.